Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material features. Let's get started. First go to the NX, new, here model, our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter. Specify the file name, specify the location, save OK, save OK. This is our component. First we will start with this L shape. For that go to the sketch. I'm just choosing a right plane to get the same isometric view. Save OK. Take this line, continuous line. Start from here, 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 somewhere here, here. This point. Then close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is ready. Here the total X length is 75 plus the radius, which is 30. That means 105. This one is 105. Press enter. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Then this thickness, this and this both are equal, which is a value of 15 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Then we need to define this height, which is 15 plus 65, 80. Press the roller to confirm. Then you can see the sketch is fully defined. Then right click it, finish sketch. Then go for extrude. The total extrusion length is 60. Here make it symmetric value 60. Save OK. Now we have created this L shape. Then we'll create this protrusion of cylinder. For that, go to the sketch, choose the surface, save OK. Now to get the midpoint, just draw the one. Here go to the entire assembly, draw one line, press the roller to confirm, specify some value, then select this line, make it construction. Take the circle, we should be at the mid here, press the roller to confirm, and the diameter is 60, press the roller to confirm, and the center point is from here to here is 30, and the height is from here to this line, which is 0. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then go for this half circle only enough. For that just create one line, press the roller to confirm, go for trim, trim this one, and this one. Then close it. Now you can see sketch is fully defined. Go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction, automatically it is going for subtraction, make it unite. The total extrusion length is 50. Save OK. Just hide the sketch too. Now we have got this also. Then we just want to create this rib. For that go to the sketch, take this right plane, save OK. Take this profile line, this point, and right click here, select this point here, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to define the height. This distance is 35 and this height is total height is 80 minus 30, that is 50. 50. Now we got the sketch, then go for finish sketch. Now we have this line, then go for the rib. It is showing error. Then go for edit sketch. Create one line here and here. Press the roller to confirm. Define this value as some 12. Then go for finish sketch. Go for rib again. This is the line. Now you can see the rib is creating properly. The thickness of the rib is 10 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this rib. Just hide the sketch. Then finally we just want to remove this hole as well as this slot. First we'll start with this hole. For that, take this hole. Move your cursor to the edge of the hole. Just undo it. Here, make it normal to the face. Undo it. Just move your cursor to the point which is taken is correct, but the vector should be defined. The vector is y-axis. This is the vector. The diameter of the hole is 30. This one is normal one. Deep you make it until next. Subtract, save OK. Now we have created this hole. Then we'll go for this slot cut. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, save OK. This is a symmetric one. Before that, we'll make a finish sketch. Just delete this sketch. First make a round, then we create that one. To make a round, go for edge blend. Select this edge and select this edge. The radius of the edge is 30. Save OK. Then go for the sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Now take a rectangle. First take the circle. Here we have a circle. The circle with the radius of diameter is 20. Say yes. Then take a rectangle from here to here. This point has to connect with the circle with the here. The thickness, this is 20. Height we can specify some 40. This is enough. Go for trim. Remove this edges. Just close it. Go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it subtract. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now just right click here. Go for orient isometric view. Now just see the object. Now we have finished our component. In that we have learned how to model this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.